What is this? Is this your food? Yeah.
Слушай. Слушай. I'm gonna really
Get it off the couch.
take it out.
And then she tried to do it again, and I was like, are you dumb? Because that just doesn't make sense. Like, it just wasn't getting through to her.